I was a little nervous about flipping the switch. Hey, nothing happened. Maybe these cutters will spark a flame. Let's turn off the lights. Should I try touching the flame? Ooh, it's a little hot. Hot, hot, hot. Listen to it sizzle. Hey guys, my name is James and I just completed my DIY Tesla coil kit that I got off of Banggood. Now this kit does not come with instructions. I had to find it online. Part of the instructions are in Chinese and part of the instructions are going to be in English. So the instructions are pretty much easy to follow because there are photos and illustrations. But there were a couple of discrepancies that I'm going to point out in the video. Now the shipping for this kit took over a month. It does not come with any power supply. You're going to have to find a power supply that's 24 volts, about 2 amps. But you probably have those spare bricks lying around your home. This is a DIY kit and you're going to need a soldering iron to put all the things together. So this is not going to be a full-on tutorial. I'm just going to point out some things. So let's get started. I soldered the PCB according to the instructions. I did find an extra 5-watt resistor in the bag that was not in the instructions. So I did solder it up as shown here. One thing I should have done was turn this PCB clockwise 90 degrees. This way the fan lines would not be loose and it would be a shorter connection to the connector. Remember these primary and secondary coils, they have a coating on them, so the ends of the enamel have to be scraped off. You need to pay close attention to the orientation of this coil. Here are the two ends. They have a direction. So guys, that's it. I think I covered what may be overlooked. There's a link to the instructions I followed in the description below. So check it out and those instructions should get you through the rest of the way.